Have you ever wondered what the difference between somebody, someone, something, sometimes, and somewhere is? Well, somebody once told me, and now someone on the internet is gonna tell you. Hi, and welcome to English Language and Literature. Today, we will be discussing the difference between certain some words and how you can use them in your daily life. Somebody refers to one or some person of unspecified or indefinite identity. So, we can use it when we want to talk about a person whose identity we don't know. For example, your friend just went to the bathroom and their phone starts ringing. When your friend comes back to you, you tell them about the call. Somebody rang while you were in the bathroom. You don't know who called, so you cannot be more specific. You can't tell them that Frank or Sarah, for example, called. Here are some other example sentences from famous songs that you might actually know. I could really use somebody. Can anybody find me somebody to love? Now you're just somebody that I used to know. And some example sentences that are maybe a bit more practical in real life. I met somebody new. The singer waved to somebody in the crowd. And we need somebody who can work the fryer. For example, you might hear this sentence in job ads or maybe on LinkedIn. Similar to somebody, someone is also used when referring to a person whose identity you don't know, or when it is simply not important to know who they are. For example, there's someone outside your house, or someone else must have taken it. Here are some examples from songs that you might know. Someone like you and all you know. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Someone and somebody have no difference in meaning. Somebody is a little less formal than someone, and someone is used more in writing than somebody. Also, somebody is more common in speaking. Something refers to an object, situation, quality, or action that is not exactly known or stated. For example, your car broke down, but you don't know what happened, so you tell people that something happened with your car. Other than somebody and someone, something cannot refer to people, so be sure to keep that in mind. Here are some more examples from famous songs. Something in the way she moves that treats me like no other lover. Something's gotta give now, 'cause I'm dying just to make you see. I want something just like this. Everyday examples could sound more like this. My friend is upset, I think something happened to him. There's something in the fridge that smells weird. You might have heard about the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow, but what does the somewhere actually refer to? Well, while something is about an unknown object, somewhere is about an unknown or not mentioned place. Your friend, for example, went to the US, but you're unsure where exactly they went, so you just say that your friend went somewhere to the US. Famous song quotes you might know are, "So why don't we go somewhere only we know?" "Somewhere there's music, how faint the tune." What about sentences that you can actually use in your daily life? I mean, you can also quote music lyrics if you want, but here are some sentences that you might want to use. Try it with these ones. Her mom lives somewhere in the city. Do you want to go somewhere else? All these four words that I mentioned are indefinite pronouns. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, they function in a similar way to some. We use them in affirmative clauses and in questions expecting a particular answer. We can use them to refer to both general and specific people or things. Okay, so what about sometimes? The meaning of sometimes is a bit different compared to the other some words. It means on some occasions, but not always or often. So something that you, for example, do on some occasions, like cooking or working out. I sometimes cook, or I sometimes work out, but I don't have much time, unfortunately. Examples from famous songs include, "Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner." "Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling." Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Now, to summarize, Somebody and someone refers to a person whose identity is unknown. Something refers to an object, situation, quality, or action that is not exactly known or stated. Somewhere is about an unknown or not mentioned place, and sometimes means on some occasions, but not always or often. I hope I made the distinction clear and expanded your vocabulary a bit. By the way, did you recognize all of the songs that I mentioned? If you did, leave us a comment with the titles of the songs that you recognized. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to English Language and Literature.